Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy. On your demand, I am here with another method by which you can get a free Visa card. I will show you how to create your account. The method is very simple, and like all the other methods that I have shown you, this card also does not have any kind of yearly maintenance charge, and there are no transaction charges. So keep watching. iOS, then search for PayZapp. So this is the app, and as you can see, it comes from HDFC Bank. So we need to install the app, and I will show you the remaining process. So keep watching. After installing the app, we need to open. This is the first screen after you open the app. So if you are registering with this app, you can use my referral code, that will help me. So now let's enter my mobile number and continue. We need to click on allow. Let's click on OK. Now allow, and here the date of birth needs to be selected. Now you need to select a security question. So select any one question that you want and enter the answer for that selected question. And finally, now you have to enter a PIN. The PIN needs to be anywhere between 4 to 12 digits. So let's enter the PIN. Now let's click on proceed. Click allow. So they have sent this OTP or MVC. Now let's click on complete registration. Now our account has been registered. Now we need to log in. The MPIN that we had entered during the registration needs to be entered here. After entering the MPIN, let's click on login. If you are having a dual SIM phone, it will ask you to select a SIM. In my case, it should be the SIM 1, and you also need to select the number for the selected SIM. Now you need to click on continue. Now to get our virtual card, we need to click on this menu button that is on the top left of the screen, and here you need to navigate to this PayZapp card, and let's click on this PayZapp card option. So basically they are asking you to add money to the wallet to get your card. So just to get our virtual card, we need to add some money to this account, but this is temporary. So after getting your virtual card, you can also withdraw the money or use it anywhere you want. And for that, we need to add a card that is an existing card, but that is also temporary. You can also delete the card details later after adding. If you don't have a card, you can also use someone else's card, but make sure you take the permission of the card owner. So to add a card, let's go back to the PayZapp card option. So as you can see, this is your virtual Visa debit card. So you can use this card anywhere you want. To check the CVV number, just click on this card, and the card will flip towards the back and show you the CVV number. So this is your CVV number, as you can see, and click on the card again to flip it back towards the front. So we already have 10 rupees in this account. So let's use this card to make a transaction. Let's do a mobile recharge of 10 rupees. You can add any amount of money anytime you want in this account and use that amount of money with this card anywhere you want. To prove that this card works, we are using another app. We are using a third-party app that is not associated with this app or the